here looking through my window. It is raining very heavy this morning. I am turning my yard in a food factory.
My Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
It is actually raining, but I'm out here because now is one of the best times to plant some food. So I'm taking advantage of the light rains. This is my umbrella right here, and the camera is under another umbrella, so you have to keep going nevertheless. So welcome and welcome back to my food forest in container. It is such a privilege to be able to grow food all year round. I can grow food, and not just that, I can grow just about anything. To God be the glory. It is a blessing, and I have to make use of such blessing from the Almighty. So in this right here, I have chayote that I got from my mommy. Yeah, so she actually started it for me, so wish me all the best with this. And I got some seeds. This is cantaloupe, melon. This is a yellow canary melon. I'm not sure I'm meant to plant this today. I'm more interested in planting the cantaloupe, yeah, because I've tried with so many other seeds, but they come to a point and then, so I'm trying again. And this is watermelon, this is crimson sweet, this is honeydew, and this is sugar baby. So I'm more interested in planting these two today. If I find somewhere to plant these, I definitely will. Alright, so I've decided to put the chayote or chocho, as we call it here in Jamaica, inside this container. So I have a trellis right here. I need to get back something to come across here, one of these. Alright, so what I'm basically doing, I'm going to put it in the middle because this has, you can see that it's going to give me two vines right here. So I'll have the vines going like this, and then I'll direct it up the trellis. So I will definitely, I'll put one of these right here. I can't show you everything right now, but you'll definitely see it in an update on its progress. So yes, I'm going to put this one right here. Alright, because I'm using my one hand, I can't get to the other part as yet. So yes, let's do it. And I need to hurry up before the rain. It is raining now, you know. It's just that it is not that heavy, so I can be here right now. So I need to hurry up, as well as time is going for me, so I need to hurry up. Alright, so let's take it out of this. I just took it up with a little of the soil right there. You can see the chayote itself. So the plant is growing from the chayote itself. So mommy actually set it for me, so I have a good start. So I'm just basically going to do the same thing. I am not going to put all of it in the soil. Looks like I took out too much right here. Put back some. I'm not going to put down all of it in the soil. I'm putting it back just the way it was, like that. So a little is out of the soil. So this root right here, I am just going to cover it like that. I will be adding manure to this, but not right now. As you can see, I'm trying to get out of here, so I still leave that little area out. It can be watered by this beautiful natural fertilizer, which is God-given, the rain. I'm not even going to take up this pan. I'm going to leave them here right now because I need to get going. So as you can see, I already have watermelons in this container, but they're not doing well at all. So I said, alright, I'm going to add the sugar baby. I'm not going to trouble them. I'm going to leave them, see if anything still becomes of them. But I'm going to add some sugar baby to it right now. I think I'm going to put 4. No, I'm going to put 6. Because remember, we're not sure about the germination rate. So I'm putting in more than enough. Should in case the germination is not good. These look a little different from what I'm used to. They look a little small. Can you see? Yeah. So one inside here, so that didn't go in. Go and fix it. One in here. All the 3 that I put over there so didn't go in. So I'm going to push them in. So that one gone in, this one gone in, this one. Just use a knife and just cover it a little. You don't need to plant your seeds too deep. It is better you plant them 2 times the diameter of the seed. In case you need to transplant, you transplant. But you don't want to lose your seeds. They're fighting their way to come out. The cantaloupe is what I really want to plant. I'm going to put them over here so that they can trellis on this trellis right here. So I'm basically going to go wild with them. I'm just going to put them like this across. One here, one here, cause may the best ones win. Cause I don't have a lot of luck with them. My other garden that I had before, I used to get cantaloupes from it. I haven't got any from this. They came to a point, the fruit itself came to a point, it was so tiny, I didn't bother to eat it. That one went in. That one didn't go in. To use a knife. That went in. That didn't go in. Well, that fell from my hand. Since I have these out. Yes. Alright, I'll use the knife. Since I have these out, I'm just putting them in. Well, that didn't go in. Alright, so you need to go inside the hole right here. Cover you up. Oh, you didn't go in, no? One in. If I'm going to need to do any transplant, I'll just do that. So I'd rather have more than enough than not enough. Alright guys, so I've decided not to bother to plant the other seeds. I have an idea now where I can put the others. So I may do it on camera as well as I may not. So whenever you see them, you will see them. Alright, so this is where I leave you for today. Thank you all so much for watching. And until tomorrow, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.